Sandeep Narayan was representing the entire society of Indian automobile industry, and today the verdict is finally out. The BS3 vehicles will not be allowed to manufacture or be on the roads anymore. Let's talk to him about what has the decision been and how does it affect the automobile industry now.
The decision, as far as the industry is concerned, is shocking for the simple reason that the rules which provide for manufacturing of BS3 vehicles provided that they can be produced and manufactured till 31st March 2017, and it is only from 1st April 2017 that BS4 vehicles had to be manufactured. Not only the rules, this issue had arisen several times from 2005 till now, and repeatedly the government of India had issued clarifications and repeatedly clarified that BS3 vehicles, if manufactured up to 31st March 2017, would be permitted to be sold and registered even after the said date.
Right, and also talking about the inventory which is still left there, what happens to that now? Because that was your main argument, that there is a lot of inventory left and that needs to be sold or put aside or, sort of done away with. Now, what happens to that? How does that affect it? And who loses here?
It's anybody's guess because the inventory would go as a waste. There are some notions that it can be exported to a lot of other countries, which I don't think is the correct position. Nor can this inventory be overnight converted into BS4 because there is no add-on or a plug-on equipment which can convert a BS3 vehicle into a BS4 vehicle. So this inventory, as it seems to me, would have to go as a waste.
Well, the Supreme Court today observed that the health of people is more important. So how would you counter that, really?
Well, I will not counter that with respect to the Supreme Court. That is a prime concern which they have rightly observed. But having said that, the certainty of doing business in this country is also equally important. Today, and while all these discussions were going on in court, what I could gather from the industry captains was that they also feel disturbed about the uncertainty of doing business in this country because goalposts are changed at the last moment. Today is 29th March and we are told that from 31st March you can't do something like this.
Right, and what's the plan of action for the automobile industry from here on now?
It's too early to comment on that. It is the industry which needs to decide. The order has come about 10 minutes ago. So we will see and review. Of course, we will try to do something and maybe request the court to reconsider the decision. But I cannot say anything about it now.